Again matching. Covalent hydride. Covalent hydride. Covalent hydride. Ammonia is covalent. Silicon hydride is covalent. See, except this, all are covalent. Saline hydride, 2 will be E, so only one choice. Saline hydride, only one, calcium hydride. 2 with the E, you get your answer. The others can have multiple combination. 1B, is it acceptable? 1B, covalent hydride. Yes, ammonia is covalent hydride. At the same time, it is electron rich also. Next, 2E verified. 3D, electron rich hydride. Yes, water molecule is electron rich. Ammonia also electron rich. Then 4C, electron precise. Silicon hydride, it is electron precise. Group 14 hydrides are electron precise. Then 5A, electron deficient. 5A, aluminum hydride is electron deficient. Group 13 hydrides are electron deficient. Group 14 hydrides are electron precise. Group 15, 16, 17 are electron rich. So, the other choices can have other combination also, but second one, only one combination, and by looking at that, you are able to confirm your answer straight away. Group 1, Group 2 hydrides are saline hydrides, ionic hydrides, salt-like hydrides, and they are real hydrides. Because there we have H minus. H minus is available there. The real hydrides are them.